What we have today is this beautiful unboxing of the Asus AX6000 RT-AX89X. I bought this bad boy because I wanted some 10 gig connectivity and I was tired of the piece of crap wireless router that came with Frontier Files. So let's open this up and see what we got. Little side piece, we have our power adapters, network cable, nothing special or ordinary, out of the ordinary there. Inside we have this beautiful router. Some people call this the spider. I wonder why. On here we have 3.0 USB ports, 2 10 gig ports, a WAN port that supports up to 1 gig. Also, the 10 gig ports can support WAN, so if you have 10 gig internet or ISP provider, this will work for you. Also, you have 8 1 gig ports. This system will allow you to put a LAN port and a WAN port together for a 2 gig WAN port. And then we have our WPS buttons, LEDs on off. Man, something else I can't read. Wi-Fi button. Jesus. Yeah. So why do they call this a spider? Well, let's take a look. There's your spider. So, some more features of this bad boy. Has Trend Micro built in. Basically, you can have your own antivirus for your whole house on any system running on it. iPads, iPhones, Android phones, Windows systems, doesn't matter. This can help protect it. Won't fully protect it, but will or can help protect it. So, along with this Asus router, when I move to our new house, I will be putting in this paired together with another Asus router for AI mesh. I don't know if you guys have heard of that, but let me know what you guys think and what features would you guys like to see out of this thing. Let me know. Thanks.